This is Nicole Listema, and I will be conducting your weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Atlanta for Thursday, November 12th, 2020. We're going to talk about what's currently going on with Tropical Storm Eta. We'll also take a look at the heavy rainfall that fell last evening and overnight, what's going to be happening in the tropics for the next 5 days, and we'll lastly get into the forecast for the weekend into next week. Eta made landfall near Cedar Key, Florida, around 4 a.m. this morning, and winds were estimated at about 50 miles an hour. A weakened Eta will shortly emerge off the coast of northeast Florida, but could strengthen again as an extratropical cyclone after about 24 hours, but is expected to remain out at sea at this time. Eta, again, is currently across northeast Florida and is about to merge off the coast. A cold front is situated across central portions of Georgia. Eta is expected to be absorbed into the frontal boundary as it moves out to sea. Eta helped bring copious amounts of moisture to northern Georgia, northern and central portions of Georgia this week, and we did have some locally heavy rainfall that occurred last evening into the overnight hours. On average, 1/2 to about 1.5 inches of fell across the outlook area. However, due to some banding, locally heavy rainfall set up across eastern portions of the outlook area where we did have some 3 to 4.5 inches of rainfall. Overall, we issued 7 flash flood warnings where the heaviest rain fell. We are currently watching for some river rises in the eastern part of the outlook area. And we do have 2 points in flood along Big Creek, which is in the northern Atlanta metro. For the next 5 days, the tropics are expected to remain active. As we talked about, Eta will move offshore today. Theta is expected to remain across the eastern Atlantic and begin to weaken in about 3 to 4 days. And the National Hurricane Center is watching a tropical wave over the central Caribbean Sea that is becoming better organized and is expected to develop into depression within the next few days. Luckily, our weather will be fairly quiet, with high pressure briefly settling across the outlook area for Friday and Saturday. A weak cold front will move through on Sunday, bringing a chance of rain mainly to northern portions of Georgia. Severe weather is not anticipated at this time. For the first part of next week, high pressure will build in behind Sunday's weak front, with a much drier air mass settling across the southeastern U.S. Temperatures for the first part of next week should be near normal for this time of year. In summary, a cold front will carry Eta out into the Atlantic today. A much drier air mass will settle across the region for early next week. Temperatures will return to near normal values. Severe weather is not anticipated for the weekend into next week. Thank you very much. Have a great day.